how sweet is my child?
Today I'm feeling naughty, and I think I've seen the right target. Stop it. Wait a minute. What is he doing? He'll be so funny when he wakes up. Too much hair. Sorry. Hey, look what you've done. You left my foot naked. You baby. It's a prank, bro. Come here. You won't get away with it. Watch out.
Very well
played, huh?
played.
What is your kid doing?
Oh no, my tail! Let me go, man! No mercy! Please, somebody help!
No, hold on. What is he doing?
Don't kill me, buddy! Sorry! Too late for that. Goodbye, cat! What's happening?
Think it's okay to mistreat a friend?
Oh.
Apologize to each other in this moment?
He started!
I don't care who started or who ended it. You'll learn to get alone, starting with saying sorry.
Well, I think I'm sorry, dog.
I know you're not. You're just saying it out of commitment.
Nothing of that. I'm truly sorry, bro.
Still not believing
Got
it.
a plan.
What?
Friendship
Gross.
kiss!
What are you
Just
doing?
cleaning the mess up.
It was weird, but it worked. I forgive you.
You're the best!
Cool kids.
You're my best friend too, Dog
Always
Day.
so clingy.